In today's video from Casio Help, we're looking at deactivating Bluetooth reporting to mobile device on the SR-C and SR-S range of registers. So in this video we're using the SR-C550, but what I do in this video also applies to the SR-C4500 and the SR-S4000 and 500 machines. So if you've got Bluetooth set up to report to a specific device, and you run your Z reports, if the device is there it all works fine, but if you haven't got the device to hand you can come up with an error message when you run your report, so that the report prints almost in its entirety, but then at the very end you get a message saying that the Bluetooth isn't connected. This is because the phone or device isn't present. So the report hasn't generated properly. So you can clear the error message simply, and then what you need to do is either locate the device, or if it's not to hand, then you can turn the Bluetooth reporting off by going around to the PGM position, arrowing down to Bluetooth, going into functions, and then into each of X data to mobile, going in and changing that to no, subtotal to clear out of it. Within system settings you can also clear the paired mobile data, but we're not doing that on this video. When you're back to this screen so you can see all the settings, you can turn the key back to reg, or you can return to the X or Z mode to run the report. And the report will now run and it will finish in its entirety and you won't get the error message. So I hope that video has been helpful. For more information on the Casio cash registers, please subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.